In the tumultuous 1960s, a wave of change swept across the United States, ushering in a new era of social and political upheaval. Amidst the cacophony of civil rights movements, one voice rose above the rest, demanding equality and justice for a marginalized community, the LGBTQ community. The 1960s were a time of profound change, a decade that would leave an indelible mark on the fabric of American society. Yet, hidden in the shadows, a group of individuals, driven by courage and a fiery determination, began to challenge the status quo. They were the pioneers of the LGBTQ rights movement. In the heart of New York City, a young man named Harry Hay gathered a group of friends in his living room. They were united by a shared sense of injustice, a shared experience of discrimination, and a shared dream of a world where their love would be accepted. This was the birth of the Mattachine Society, the first organization dedicated to fighting for the rights of gays and lesbians. As the movement gained momentum, another pivotal figure emerged. A woman named Barbara Giddings, a librarian from Philadelphia, became a vocal advocate for LGBTQ rights. She organized the annual Reminders, protests held at Philadelphia's Independence Hall, where she and her fellow activists demanded equal rights and an end to discrimination. The 1960s were also a time of tragedy. In 1969, a police raid at the Stonewall Inn, a gay club in Greenwich Village, sparked a series of protests that would come to be known as the Stonewall Riots. These riots marked a turning point in the LGBTQ rights movement, galvanizing a new generation of activists and giving birth to the Gay Liberation Front. The Gay Liberation Front, under the leadership of Frank Kameny and others, demanded a radical rethinking of societal norms. They called for an end to discrimination in employment, housing, and the military, and they demanded recognition of their rights as citizens. The LGBTQ rights movement faced significant opposition, but it also found allies in unexpected places. The American Psychological Association declassified homosexuality as a mental illness in 1973, a decision that carried significant weight in a society that equated mental illness with immorality. In 1967, the Supreme Court of California decriminalized homosexuality, paving the way for similar decisions across the country. In 1973, the American Psychiatric Association removed homosexuality from its list of mental disorders. These victories were hard-won, the product of years of tireless activism and courageous advocacy. The LGBTQ rights movement is a testament to the power of resilience and the indomitable human spirit. It is a story of individuals who dared to dream of a better world, who dared to stand up against oppression, and who dared to demand their rightful place in society. It is a story that continues to inspire, a story that continues to be written.